Video 2, Self-Treatment Hand Positions. These next series of videos you're about to watch will demonstrate the key hand positions instrumental to healing various ailments. Now remember, there is no right or wrong way to work with Reiki on oneself. You're free to intuitively move your hands to wherever it feels right as you become more experienced with your Reiki energy. If you're experiencing a specific problem, such as injury or pain, then you should place your hands directly over that specific area before following up with a full self-treatment. Once you have mastered the basic hand positions, you can then leave each treatment up to your own intuition. But right now, as you begin your journey into the wonderful world of Reiki healing, we'll begin with the basics. Let's start with the self-treatment hand positions. Before we begin, make sure that you're in a comfortable position, one free from distractions and disturbances. You can choose to sit or lie down. Whichever you choose, just make sure you're comfortable. Close your eyes and take several deep, slow breaths. Breathe through your lower abdomen and then into the chest. Breathe out slowly. During treatment, you may feel a slight warmth or tingling sensation under your hand. This is normal and is an indication of your energies emanating from your hands onto the affected areas of your body. Rub your palms together to prepare them for the transfer of Reiki from your palms to the affected areas of your body. Now, for the first position, gently place your hands over your face with your palms cupped and covering your eyes and the upper part of your cheeks. Your fingertips should be just above the hairline, with your fingers and thumbs kept close together. Hold this position for the next 3 minutes. This position is ideal for the relief of problems such as stress, eye problems, asthma, head colds, allergies, sinuses, and issues affecting the pituitary gland, pineal gland, and cerebral nerves. For the next position, place your hands on the top of your head with your fingertips touching your crown chakra. This hand position is ideal for treating migraines, headaches, eye problems, multiple sclerosis, stress, bladder, digestive disorders, flatulence, and emotional problems. This next position is best if you experience issues with balance, tinnitus, ear problems, teeth pain, colds, or flu. You may also use this position to balance the functions of your left and right brain. Cup your hands over your ears with your fingers kept together. Hold the position until you feel ready and comfortable enough to move on to the next position. For those of you who are experiencing toothaches, move your hands and cup them over your jaw. Position number 4 is used to treat headaches, eye problems, stress, hay fever, sinuses, digestive disorders, fears, phobias, shock, depression, and stroke. Cup the back of your head with your hands horizontal across your skull, your fingers pointing in opposite directions and covering the occipital ridge, like so. This position is best done while lying down, as it would be less strenuous on the arms than when you're doing it sitting upright. The next position I'm about to show you will help you relieve aches and pains, stress, neck, tight muscles, nerves, spinal injuries, and shock. Rest your hands on the back of your neck, with your hands covering the top of your shoulders and the bottom of your neck, like so. Position number 6 helps with self-expression, communication, breathing, voice and speech problems, bronchitis, flu, colds, and anger. Cup both your hands together in front of your neck, with your fingertips going just behind and under your ears. The heels of your hands should cover your throat, like so. Now for this next position, form the letter T with your hands, with your left hand covering your heart, and your right hand over the thymus gland, like so. This is especially useful in the treatment of problems to do with the heart, angina, lungs, thymus, thyroid, weight problems, immune system, lymph, emotional problems, and stress. For these next set of positions, begin with your hands across your solar plexus area, palms down, fingertips touching in the middle, like so. Next, move your hands down, keeping them in the same position the entire time, with your middle fingers just above the navel, like this. These positions are ideal for the treatment of a variety of issues pertaining to the stomach, intestines, spleen, and liver. You can give Reiki to your stomach if you feel any discomfort in that particular area, or to your spleen and liver if you wish to get rid of body toxins. They're also useful for managing anger and emotions. This next position helps treat the pelvic and reproductive areas and the reproductive organs. It is highly recommended for women when their period is starting, as it helps relieve any cramping pains. Begin by placing the heels of your palms on each of your hip bones. Point your fingers down and into the middle so your fingertips touch. Keep your thumbs in, close to your hands, or spread them outwards and make a V shape between your hands. The next position helps relieve leg pains, varicose veins, and circulation problems. Place your hands on your knees, like so. Hold the position for 3 minutes as you give Reiki to your knees to treat arthritis and rheumatism, and free stagnant energy and fear. For added effectiveness, you may also move your hands to the back of your knees and give Reiki there as well. These next positions focus on the length of your back, namely your shoulders, spine, kidneys, and the adrenals just above the kidneys. Start by placing your hands on your shoulders, like so. Giving Reiki to this part of your body relieves tension that accumulates in your shoulders. This is a good position to use as you take a break from the computer or while watching television, and it is relatively unobtrusive. When you're done giving Reiki to your shoulders, move your hands down slowly, down horizontally across your back, with your fingertips touching, like so. Focus on sending Reiki to the adrenals just above your kidneys as you place your palms of your hands on each side of your back, with your fingers pointing into your spine. Now move your hands down to your kidneys and focus on giving Reiki there, like so. This helps alleviate problems relating to your major organs, glands, and stress. Now move your hands down to your tailbone, with your fingers positioned into a V, with the tips of your middle fingers touching. Give Reiki to this area if you're experiencing problems with your back and spine. For the next position, sit in the lotus position and hold both feet with your hands. Alternatively, if you find this position to be too uncomfortable, you can sit cross-legged with your right leg resting on your left leg. Place your hands on the top and underside of your right foot. Then alternate and place your hands on the top and underside of your left foot, like so. Giving Reiki to this area of your body helps alleviate leg pain, varicose veins, and all major organs and glands.